Greetings, this is Lefty Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Presearch node. Presearch is a decentralized search engine that's built on a blockchain network, and it allows users to not only search on a secure network, but Presearch rewards users who provide value to the search system. So we're going to make a node so that you're able to accumulate your pre-tokens. So what we'll do first is we're going to go to the Presearch documentation page. We're going to go to community tutorials, and then we're going to use one of these guides. Obviously we're going to use Lefty Chris, and then we're going to grab ourselves a VPS. Now I already have one. You can use Vultr, you can use DigitalOcean, you can use Contabo. I've heard people use RackNerd. It really doesn't matter. Whichever one you can find that gives you the cheapest option. And these nodes are not the most power hungry. So you do not need a $50 or $60 VPS. A $2 or $5 VPS will do you just fine. So first, let's go ahead and grab our VPS. Next, if you're on Linux, you're going to need to use Terminal. If you're on Windows, you're going to need to use PuTTY, and you'll have to download PuTTY for Windows. So I already have PuTTY downloaded, so we're going to open it, and then we're going to copy our IP address, paste it in host name, open, and then we're going to log in as root, put in our password. Next, we're going to scroll down, and we're going to get to number 2. We need to install Docker. So let's type in the VPS snap install Docker. And we're going to let the VPS sit and download for there. Now, while this is downloading, we can open up Notepad. I already have Notepad opened up. We can go ahead and go to the next steps. We need to create a Presearch account. So at the top right, it'll allow you to log in or register. Go ahead and register. You'll need an email address, you need a password, and then you have to confirm the password. Once you're done with that, click at the top right. You're going to get to the token balance. Click on rewards account. Go ahead and go to the same top portion again. Go to node rewards, and then get to the top right once more. You're going to see 3 lines. Go to dashboard. Now you're in your node dashboard. You're going to want to copy your node registration code. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down past number 3. We're going to copy this line here, and then we're going to open up our notepad, paste it, and then we're going to go back to the node dashboard. We're going to copy the registration code, and then we're going to look for this portion here where it says $your underscore registration underscore code underscore here. We're going to simply paste the code into this portion. And so once we paste it, we're going to take this portion here, copy it, and then after we copy this, we're going to go back to our VPS. We're going to paste it. You can right click and then press enter. Let this load. And it shouldn't take too long. At the most, maybe about 30 seconds to 1 minute. We're going to go back to our Node dashboard. We can either refresh the page or we can just scroll down, go to online, click on it, and there's our node. Node description, it says node description. It says connected, and we are connected to the mainnet. So we're not on testnet. Version 1.02. And now I can stake my tokens. Click on stake. Now, this video, I'm not going to show you how to grab the free tokens. It's probably best to have a MetaMask wallet and have some Ethereum and convert the Ethereum into pre. The minimum stake is 2,000 pre tokens. After you have these tokens, you can make a description. So you can change the name of the node and then you can click update. So for example, I'm just going to say test. Update. The node is updated, but it's not staking any tokens. We're going to go back to list, and then we're going to look and see that it says test. And the node is also still in mainnet.